Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Adela Max Vlog. Yan guys, may alaga mga guys. Naglaro siya ng PlayStation at ang galing niya. Tingnan niyo mga guys, marunong na siyang maglaro kahit ano pang mga laro. Ayan, ang galing ng alaga ko, cutie-cutie. Ang cute-cute ng alaga ko, mashallah. Yan, tok.
Hi guys, so now this is the next video. You can see the other part
Then,
what we did. So now I'm opening chests
okay.
and there's some good loot.
Then, yan ang idea mga guys, paano siya maglaro. Ang galing-galing talaga.
I need this pump. Oh, I have good loot. I don't need anything.
Ang bait ng alaga ko.
But my snipe. I'm not dropping my purple gun. If I lost it, if I'm dead, I will be cried. Wait, I see someone. Where's my sniper? Snipe. I hear someone. I'm trying to headshot. Bro, I can headshot you. Wait, what are you doing? I can headshot you.
Soy mama sleeping, okay?
I can headshot you.
Parang galit siya mga
I just headshot.
Chill.
My first headshot. 2 players?
Diba wow?
Oh, I
Ang
need
galing.
a snipe. They are good.
Ang galing ng alaga ko.
What the bro? Bye. Boy! I'm building. I'm building crazy. Go to my teammate. I'm dead. I am dead. Oh, there was a fight up here. There was a fight down here. Oh, that fight? One, he was almost. Oh, I'm dead. No. I'm dead. What are you doing? Give me help. Upgrade me. I am dead. I have very good loot. I have a scarf. I don't have shields, that's bad. The storm. Oh. Circle. Back up here. Ja. Just take the route. Many. Finally. Many. It's still moving. Shuka-ta-ta. Oh, maraming. I have so nice. Oh.
Okay. Okay, we are done now.
Okay,
So,
I'm going to play.
okay.
And you
So,
stay here.
Please subscribe for more and thank for watching to my video. And please support my YouTube channel, Adela Mix Vlog. Thank you. Bye-bye. God bless us all. Bye.